If you're looking for night wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 night wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by the Paragon. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Classical Creations. Number 3, by Crosse Technology. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by QC Clock. Number 5, by Lotus Clocks. Find these night wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Plumeet. Number 7, by Hito. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Rhythm USA. Number 9, by Subic. Discover more night wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 10, by Society 6.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.